Hi, today we're going to talk about how to incorporate unique maps into your Lob HTML Creative. So if you've been working with Lob HTML Creative, you're probably well aware of the extent to which you can personalize it. You can pass in text, offer values, unique images, fonts, colors, all of these things can be passed in uniquely down to the individual mail piece recipient, letting you personalize every aspect of that mail piece. But one really cool extension of this is passing in personalized maps. So essentially passing in a uniquely rendered map into every mail piece that you send. So that gives you flexibility to do things like draw attention to somebody's local branch or local outpost of your chain. Um, and if I'm sending this to different people in different neighborhoods, I can use one creative template, but I can pass different locations to different people and have that map get rendered right in the mail piece in real time. It also works for multiple locations. So in this case, there might be multiple locations of a bank branch, for example. Again, I can pass somebody in this neighborhood their local branches, and I can generate a different map for somebody who's on the other side of town with their local branches as well. And the way that we're doing this is these maps are taking merge variables in the same way that you're passing in merge variables to, populate somebody's first name, for example. But what these merge variables are doing are getting passed to a maps API, which is on the fly immediately rendering a unique map and passing it back into your creative at the time that it gets rendered. So you can pass in values for these things like the actual address written out. So here's my street address and my city, state, and zip. This is where this map originates. One thing to keep in mind is that you always know the address of the person you're sending mail to, so that mailing address can also be set as the origin address. But you're also able to pass in lat longs instead if you want to be incredibly precise. But when you pass these in, I'm going to go ahead and preview this mail piece. You'll see that this example is actually generating unique directions from the recipient's mailing address to this, in this case, branch of this financial institution, which is downtown. So that origin point is the mailing address of the recipient. You can now give every single person you're sending mail to a map from their home to wherever it is that you want to drive them to. And this can be great for letting people know how convenient it is to reach your location or to make them aware of a new location in your neighborhood. We've seen cool real estate examples where you're showing people the houses for sale that are in their specific neighborhood and how to navigate there from their own home. These types of things are all possible because these maps are, again, being generated one at a time on the fly at the time that mail piece is created. There's also some cool personalization that you can do. You can pass in your own icons. You can use your own branded colors. There's different modes like dark mode and light mode for the map. So you can really get personalized and make sure that the map still fits in with your sort of brand voice. But yeah, now you can actually send personalized map creative to every single person that you're sending mail to and show every person a location or a map that is relevant to them individually. So if you have any questions on how to do this, please reach out to your Lob representative and we'd love to help you get started. Thank you.